Lovely lake scene. Home features a garage for 2 cars. Private side entrance. Home is being sold turnkey furnished. Living area also features volume ceilings. Living area is also spacious. Living area also features lovely extended tile floors. Glass sliders to LANAI. Breakfast bar off kitchen. Light and bright kitchen. Kitchen features stainless steel appliances. Kitchen also features upgraded white cabinets with granite tops and tile backsplash. Kitchen nook. Den or bedroom. Bedroom 2. Lovely guest bathroom. Master bedroom. Spacious master. Master bathroom. Master bathroom feature dual sinks and custom cabinets. LANAI is glass enclosed. LANAI features tile floors. Screen enclosed patio. Rear yard.